those who have at least, some level of belief in Jesus, he turns to them now and he starts to talk about discipleship. So Jesus is interested from everyone who believes in him in a deeper, stronger, more vibrant, living relationship between the two of us, between him and you. It goes beyond just simple, mere belief. I assent to the truth that Jesus is the Christ. It goes beyond that, and it turns now into discipleship. It turns into lifestyle. So let's make sure that we see this. Discipleship to Jesus will lead us into truth, and the truth will set us free. Discipleship to Jesus will lead us into truth, and the truth will set us free.